Planning your trip with Hawaiian Airlines, understanding their carry-on baggage rules, is key for a smooth journey. The airline allows each passenger one carry-on bag and one personal item. The carry-on bag must adhere to specific size and weight restrictions to ensure it fits comfortably in the overhead compartment. Regarding weight, Hawaiian Airlines has a weight limit of 25 pounds, which is equivalent to 11.3 kilograms. This limit applies to the total weight of your carry-on bag, including any items packed inside. Exceeding this weight might result in your bag being checked, potentially incurring extra fees. It's always best to weigh your bag before arriving at the airport to avoid any last-minute surprises or delays. Hawaiian Airlines also has size restrictions. Your carry-on bag must not exceed the dimensions of 22 inches x 14 inches, x 9 inches, including handles and wheels. This size ensures the bag can fit in the overhead bins on their aircraft. In addition to the carry-on, you are permitted to bring one personal item, such as a purse, briefcase, or laptop bag. This personal item must also meet specific size limits. Always check the Hawaiian Airlines website or app for the most up-to-date and precise information on carry-on baggage policies before you fly. These policies can be subject to change. Adhering to these guidelines ensures a hassle-free travel experience, allowing you to focus on enjoying your Hawaiian vacation or business trip. By knowing and following these rules, you can avoid any unexpected charges or inconveniences at the airport. Safe travels. Need help right now? Call our customer support at 1-855-547-0830 for quick, reliable assistance anytime.